Hey, it's the cool Zach here doing a bike check. It's a Kink Apex frame. It's really good. 100% chromoly. Very light. 24 pounds flat. Sort of front. I have a Alienation black sheet rim. On Dan's comp, it's a Mission Echo rim, but same thing. Odyssey Race Classic forks. Animal Piff 2.0 bars. Everybody else hates them, but I like them because I'm small, and they're small. The rise is 7.28. Then I have the Odyssey mono lever. Odyssey Gary Young grips. They wear down really fast, as you can tell, but they are very comfortable. And then I have a Shadow bar end and an Odyssey par end. The Odyssey 60-inch slick cable. I have Eastern crown pedals, really grippy. Mission cranks, they're 2-piece cranks. And then over here I have the Eastern Medusa sprocket. My other one broke and I bought that one for my friends. That's why I got it in white. Regular Kink seat. It's actually pretty nice because it's like padded and stuff. And then I have the Shadow seat post clamp, just regular seat post. Odyssey Evo 2 brakes. Shadow interlock chain. It's really good for grinding, not so much for just regular riding because it's really heavy. And then I have an Alienation delinquent back rim. I have thermalights. I guess you can grind concrete, but they like destroy them, so I definitely wouldn't recommend grinding concrete. And I don't think I forgot anything. So, that's my bike check.